everybody, welcome back to my channel. Alex here. I'm so excited for today's video, like I always am with every video, because I get to hang out and spend some time with you guys. So today I was like, I don't feel like doing too much today, and I wanted to give my skin a little bit of a break from the makeup, and it was feeling a little bit congested, so I said let me do a mask. I haven't done a mask in a minute, and I wanted to show some really cool stuff that e.l.f. has brought out. I'm going to be trying this mask right here from e.l.f. This is their Beauty Shield Recharging Magnetic Mask Kit, and I'm so excited for it. They also have a hydrogel under eye mask, and that's this bad boy right here. So I'm excited about these two. e.l.f. has been bringing out a lot of different and unique types of skincare, so I'm really happy that they're stepping up their skincare, so you know, we can walk in the drugstore, get what we need, and we don't have to spend you know, a whole lot of money on it. So it's really affordable. So yeah, this kit right here is a magnetic mask. I've never tried a magnetic mask before. I'm kind of freaked out about it, but I said let me go ahead and try this one, because in its powerful magnetic properties, it says it has some key antioxidants like carrot oil, also has argan oil and sunflower seed oil to, you know, go ahead and replenish your skin. It also states that this mask is formulated without parabens or anything like that. So this is what the mask looks like inside of the jar. It does have a little, you know, top to keep it moisturized, I guess, so stop it from drying out. But it does say that you can scoop it out with the end of the little magnetic tool, or I guess you can do whatever you want. I'm going to use my brush from my Roller Land Nickel Spa Kit, because this brush is uber soft and I want to use it, because I always use it to apply masks if I'm not using my fingers. So let's get this on here. It feels really cool to the skin. It's going on really good. As far as the smell goes, it smells amazing. It has like a citrus scent to it. It smells really, really good. It doesn't feel tingly or anything like that. My skin isn't burning or anything like that. It feels like it's going to be really gentle, but you can feel it drying. Like you can feel it tightening on the skin just a little bit. Nothing, you know, too over the top. But the smell, you guys, it smells so heavenly. So from my perspective, it's just in time for the spring. Like this feels like, or smells like it's gonna really wake you up, and you can feel it drying a little bit. So I'm supposed to leave this on my skin for about 5 to 10 minutes. So I am going to do that. And when I come back, we're gonna do some magnetic mask removal. Okay guys, so I'm all zoomed in because I wanted you guys to get real close and see how this mask looks. It's completely dry. It's been 10 minutes. So I now have my little magnet tool, and it comes with a bunch of little plastic coverings to put over it, so I guess it doesn't get filthy with the mask. So let's see how this works. I've got my mirror ready because I'm really excited to see how this works. I'm scared because I feel like I'm gonna feel my face rip off. Wait, let's try. Y'all, that felt weird. Oh my goodness, and you can hear it. You can hear them coming off. Oh my god, can I close this up for y'all? Like, can y'all see that? Oh wow. I am barely touching my face. It looks so gross. Oh my goodness, it looks weird, y'all. This looks hella weird. I'm barely touching my face. Oh wow. It's like it's peeling it off for you. Oh my goodness. Oh wow. This feels so weird. You can feel the magnet. Now I will say that I wish it was bigger. Do you know what I mean? Like I wish the little magnet head was bigger so that you can save time in doing this. I'm not sure if I'm supposed to change bags or if this one bag can do my whole face, because I'm hardly touching anything, and it's like I'm not even touching it with the thing, like it's still coming off. It's all on there, y'all. Like, this is weird. This feels weird. That feels so weird, and it's all collecting in one place. Oh my goodness, that feels really weird. That feels hella weird. Alright you guys, so for the most part, the entire mask is right here on this little thing right here. I'm freaked out. My skin feels like it has a little bit of a film on it when I touch it. So what I'm going to go ahead and do is I'm going to rinse my skin, because I can see just like tiny little pieces like right here that I missed. So let me do that and I'll be right back. Okay, so all I did was rinse my skin with a little washcloth, but my skin feels really soft and it feels really clean. Like that was amazing. That felt really good. My skin feels energized. I feel really recharged, if that for lack of a better word. That's a little pun there, but yeah, I feel my skin feels really good, really smooth, especially around my T-zone. Feels really nice. So I think the thing that I like the most about it is the fact that if you don't have any water, it's fine. You can just use your mask, and also the cleanup is really easy. So since everything is on this little magnetic tool, all I have to do is just carefully remove the bag off of here. Boop. And all of the grossness is in this little bag and can be tossed into the trash. So this is clean. So I think that's really cool. Now the next thing I wanted to use is their little patches. So these are going to be awesome. They're supposed to plump and detox and soothe your under eye area. Since the charcoal, they're the charcoal hydrogel under eye masks. So they come in little pouches like this, and it contains, this pack here comes with 3 of them. So I'm supposed to remove it from the pack. What I should have done was do this while I had the mask on, but I digress. It's fine. So I take it out. It's in a little tray like this. And you're supposed to leave this on for another 10 to 15 minutes. Ew, it's gooey, guys. Like, it looks wet. I'm not sure if I'm gonna like it, because it looks like it's gooey. I'm peeling it off of its tray. And I guess I'm supposed to stick the stuff under here like this. Oh, that's really cold. That's super cold. Okay. So it's supposed to go in your eye like that. That's really cold. And it's wet and gooey. Okay. Am I doing this right? I think I am. I don't think it comes off of its plastic. It stays. Wait, yes it does. Don't be like me. Just read directions. I'm just going off a whim here. Okay, that actually feels way better. But I thought it was easier to put it on with the plastic. So let's do that with the next one. So in here, it's in there nice and snug. This is really gross, guys. This is hella gross to deal with, because it's all ooey and gooey and bleh. Oh, it's so sticky. Okay, so let's do the other eye. Wait, let me peel it. Let me see if it's easier if I take it off the tray thing and then stick it on. Are you seeing this? Are you seeing how gooey this is? So it's super gooey. So I'm going to take off the film and really press that on there. This is really wet, guys. Oh! So let's go and put our timer in. These are supposed to nourish and brighten my under eye area. I only have like fine lines. My dark circles are really minimal, so I am excited to see how this works. It does have a really nice cooling effect to it, so I can give them that. But yeah, I have to leave this on for a few seconds, so I'll be back when my time's up. Okay guys, so it's been about 10 minutes already, so I didn't feel these drying or anything. They stayed at the same consistency, but my body temperature warmed up the little eye mask, so it's not as cold as it was. So I'm just going to peel that off. Peel off the other one. Ooh. Oh, under there feels really moisturized. Like I don't need an eye cream type of moisturization situation. But it feels really good. You're just supposed to pat in the excess. And that's it. Do I look wide awake? Do I look a little more energized under the eyes? I feel like it's a little bit brightening, but for sure it's moisturizing. I can say that. But I can still see a little bit of dark circles right under there. So I'm not expecting it to take away my dark circles like that. But, you know, these claims, honey, these claims. So, but it does feel moisturizing for sure. And I feel like it's a little bit more brighter underneath there. So that's great. All right, you guys. So that's it. I just wanted to do a little bit of mask time with you guys and, you know, do a little first impression on these two skincare products from e.l.f. For the record, e.l.f. is not sponsoring this video, not paying me to do this video. I just was like, I want to try out this new stuff that they sent me for PR. So yeah, you guys, thank you so much for watching and subscribing if you have. If you have tried these masks from e.l.f., do let me know down in the comment section. As always, everything is worth a try, and I will see you in my next video really, really soon. Bye, guys.